Hello everyone, welcome back to Social Nerd. I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can reset Amazon's password. Before starting the tutorial, I'd like to let you know about Amazon. Amazon is an app where you can browse, search and buy millions of products. Now, open a browser on your phone. After you open up browser, search amazon.com on your search bar. This way you'll directly land on Amazon's website. Then tap on sign in, which is on top right of your screen. Now enter your email address or your mobile number that is linked to your account. And then if you agree to Amazon's condition of use and privacy notice, tap on continue. After that, tap on forgot password, which is on your right hand side. Then tap on continue. After you tap on it, Amazon will send you OTP on your email address or your phone number to verify it. If you have entered your email address, open up your mail. After you open up mail, copy OTP and go back to browser and paste it. Once you're done, tap on continue. Now set a new password and retype the password to confirm it. Be sure to create a strong password of at least 6 characters. After you're done, tap on save changes. Your password has now been updated. If you want to enhance your account security, add and verify your mobile number. If not, tap on Not Now. This way you can reset password on Amazon. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.